Here is a quick guide to keep your content aligned in Zinnia. Select Page Style and choose Grid. These squares and lines will help assist you in creating an even bullet journal layout. Click on Lettering in the Studio and find Days of the Week stickers that you want to use in your spread. Select your row or column that you want to work on. Hold your finger on the iPad until the plus sign shows and circle the items that you wish to align. On your toolbar, choose the Align button and click on the option that centers and distributes your stickers evenly. Another way to align your content is using the various pen tools and grid paper to create even boxes and shapes. Once your line is made, hold it for a second to utilize the Straighten Line tool. This feature is great when creating squares or rectangles inside your journals. The alignment tool is a great way to save time during the creative process when making your bullet journal spreads. Once you're done with your layout, add some fun stickers onto the page. When using the grid paper, you can create symmetrical squares as bullet points by outlining the shape with your pen tool and straight line tool. Once your spread is complete, you can choose to remove the grid paper. Click on the three dots in the upper right corner and choose Blank Paper Style to have a perfectly placed journal layout.